Database performance bottlenecks often hide in plain sight. Slow queries can drain resources, but finding and fixing them requires clear visibility into execution patterns. MongoDB Query Insights, available for dedicated clusters of size M10 or larger, provides that visibility. It identifies slow queries, explains why they're slow, and clearly demonstrates the impact of any optimizations you make. While similar data is available through the Atlas Admin API and Atlas CLI, Query Insights offers a unified, intuitive interface for filtering and analyzing your queries. Query Insights starts with query shapes, which groups similar queries by structure and expose key metrics like execution time, documents examined, and query frequency. When a shape shows poor performance, look at the query profiler to see execution statistics, index usage, and stage-by-stage breakdowns. Here you'll spot issues like missing indexes, unnecessary collection scans, or inefficient sort operations. You can filter queries by condition like no index used, with sort stage, or with lookup stage to help focus your investigation. Here, we see that our slow query is using a collection scan and not leveraging an index. Let's use Performance Advisor to build the recommended index and see how our query performs now. As you can see, after building our recommended index, we stopped seeing so many slow queries. Query Insights help you pinpoint problems, explain their root causes, and validate the optimizations you make. Start monitoring and optimizing queries with the Monitoring Tooling Skill Badge today.